I'm gonna tell you why.
You said you would just take me out.
Yeah, wait, get out. I'll take. Hold on. I need to tell you something though. Wait, can I have that 360 I asked for earlier?
Sure.
The spin. All right. See, I would have loved to take you out, but you're a gold digger.
I'm a gold digger?
Yeah, you're a gold digger.
Are you kidding?
You just saw that I had followers, and then you saw that I had a car, and now you're coming back. So you either, yeah, you're a gold digger, right? That's the word for it?
No, I'm not.